Hello dear children. In our last class, we discussed the first two stanzas of the poem from the Formalin Jar. This class, we will discuss the third and fourth stanza of the same poem. Children, listen to me carefully while I am reading the third stanza of the poem. Vicky was a young boy, smart and sane, full of life and vigor, sun, wind or rain. Computers and maths were his domain. His motto in life was no pain, no gain. Children, let us find out the unfamiliar words which are underlined in the stanza. Sane, vigor, wind, domain, motto, no pain, no gain. Children, let us discuss the meanings of the unfamiliar words. Sane, having a normal, healthy mind. Vigor, energy. Wind here refers to the winter season. Domain, area or field of knowledge. Motto, aim. No pain, no gain is a proverb from English which means one cannot achieve anything without hard work. Children, let us now analyze the stanza line by line. Vicky was a young boy, smart and sane. Vicky was a smart young boy with a sensible brain, full of life and vigor, sun, wind or rain. Here the brain wants to tell us that Vicky was an active and energetic boy in every kind of season, whether it is summer, winter or rain. Computers and maths were his domain. Computers and maths were his favorite subjects. His motto in life was no pain, no gain. He believes that one cannot achieve anything in life without hard work. Children, listen to me mindfully while I am reading the fourth stanza of the poem. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, and he adored his grandma, Wrinkles and Ken. In college, when he stole a glance at Lauren, why his heart went thud-thud, only I could explain. Children, the underlined words in the stanza are the unfamiliar words you may come across. Insane, adored, wrinkles, can, glance, thud-thud. Children, let us discuss the meanings of the unfamiliar words. Insane, mad. Adored, loved very much. Wrinkles are the crisscross lines on skin due to old age. Cane here means walking stick. Glance, quick look. Thud, here it refers to the heartbeat sound. Let us now explain the stanza line by line. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane. Vicky loved his parents madly. And he adored his grandma, Wrinkles and Ken. He also loved his grandma, her wrinkles, her Ken so much. In college, when he stole a glance at Lauren, in his college days, Vicky fell in love with a girl named Lauren. Why his heart went thud-thud? When Vicky threw a quick look at Lauren, his heartbeat became faster. Only I could explain. Here the brain says it only could explain how much Vicky loved Lauren. From the last two lines of the stanza, it is clear that Vicky was a lover boy. Children, let us discuss some questions. Number 1. Answer the questions in a phrase or a word. A. Who was smart and sane? Yes, Vicky. B. What were Vicky's favorite subjects? Correct. Computers and maths. C. What was Vicky's love for his parents like? Yes, insane. D. For whom did Vicky's heart go thud-thud? Yes, Lauren. E. What was Vicky's motto of life? Good. No pain, no gain. Children, let us discuss some more questions. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Full of life and dash, sun, wind or rain? Yes, vigor. B. Computers and maths were his dash. Correct, domain. C. He adored his dash, wrinkles and cane. Yes, grandmother. D. In college, when he stole a dash at Lauren. Correct, glance. E. Vicky's heart went dash. Yes, thud-thud. So children, today we discussed the third and fourth stanza of the poem. The rest we will discuss later. Thank you. Bye-bye.